bring this information before the floor. One, I'm an important ally of Karnataka Rajya Raita Sangha as well as Lavia Kampa LVC, right? Yeah. We as sexual minorities are not terrorists, are not the antisocial elements. We are born like this. This is our identity. This is our gender existence. You accept and respect what we say. You don't judge us. So, how is the global political movement is going? Previously, I would remember that 11th/12th century, democracy was the first, state was the second, third was capitalism. Today, it has totally reversed. Capitalism is first, second is the state, then the democracy. We are part of the I think the global context. We are part of either one of the religious contexts or moralities. Be it the Christian morality, be it the Islam morality, be it Hinduism morality, be it Jainism morality, be it Buddhism morality or the constitution moralities has really played a very far from the truth of justice for not accepting sexual minorities as we are today. So this needs to be revisited in 21st century to question back the politics of hate, the politics of love, the politics of affection and our diversities. The so-called development, am I okay with the language? Yeah? Yeah. The so-called developing/developed countries including Russia, Uganda, United States of America, the Donald Trump's statements for not accepting transgender identity, be it Pakistan, Afghanistan and many more countries are so regressive and being so transphobic, homophobic, Islamophobic or any such phobics is highly unacceptable. Uganda giving it a penalty in public has really shrinked our eyebrows and questioned back the existence of notion. The colonial law, today we are celebrating in India. Today was a law, the colonial law of section 377 was read down by the Honorable Supreme Court Constitution Bench, and today is the 7th year that India is celebrating. Let's celebrate India with your big round of applause to all my community members who are coming on the streets and saying that we are pride and proud to be sexual minorities. Your applause time now. From criminals to decriminals to recriminals and to no more criminals, we are fighting against the system of justice in the whole part of this country. I think whatever people say that becomes secondary. Without we addressing the capitalism, fundamentalism, feudalism, fascism, extremism, it's a crucial juncture that without we don't address this issue, it is highly difficult for us to bring the politics of food sovereignty across the globe is concerned. So what's next? As coalition, as farmers, as women's rights activists, as defenders, it's a huge responsibility. Today I was so moved and I was so thrilled that the entire Indian farmers movement has extended support to the sexual minorities movement, and it is because of our Mr. and the legendary Dr. Farmer movement's icon, the Sri Nanjundaswamy and his whole team, especially Professor Raivarma Kumar and Chukki Nanjundaswamy, who made this happen, that we are part of this movement. To conclude here, I am not a he, I am not a she, I am not an intersex. Let me decide my identity. Judge not, support gender identity. Judge not, support sexual diversity. Tomorrow, we will be the presidents, prime ministers of different nations. Let's talk the politics of inclusivity. Namaskara, Sharana Sharanarthi.